Hello everyone, I'll be talking about homework number 14 for DSE 430. In this assignment, we were supposed to find the overlapping area of the two ellipses. So in our assignment, it asks us to enter 2 points um, with, and then create an ellipse using those 2 points, and then two focal points, I'm sorry, and then along with its width, and that will generate ellipse number one. And then we were supposed to create another ellipse using this class function to create an overlap object of the compute overlaps ellipse class. So my code does that as well. So let me just run my code in the studio. So let me click play. So again, here are my 2 points, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 2, and then calculate the overlap and print the overlap of these assignments. So I will just click on play, and then it will show me the first one, and then it will show me again the second example here. These are the 2 points, two focal points of this ellipse, the width. Again, two focal points and and the width for this ellipse, and then now it's showing up the area as well. So let me briefly explain my code. So I have a point class. It initializes these class attributes x and y. Again, that is the x coordinate and the y coordinate of the point. And then again, a user has to enter those in, or if they don't enter anything in, it will equal 0, 0. And then once they enter those two values, I will generate the self.point attribute. And then if they want to return that, I will return that using this function. I also have these other functions that will return x and y of this point object. And then also I have a distance function that again will calculate the distance of another point comparing it to the original point. So again, the formula is right here: return square root of x squared plus y squared. And again, it's subtracting the difference between the 2 points. I have an ellipse class that has something similar to the point class. However, you enter two x points and two y points, and it's also the width of the ellipse, right? So that will generate the ellipse, and then I also have the points class generated using its call function here of that class. So that is also an attribute of the function of these two focal points of the ellipse. I'm able to return all the values here: return point 1, return point 2, return the width of the ellipse, return both the points, return the minimum max value, return the maximum max value, and also this is very important. If a user gives us another point value, is that point value inside that ellipse? So again, I have this function right here. Self.p is the distance of this value. So again, it's going back to this equation here. If the point 2 subtracted the point 1 plus point 2, focal point 2 minus same thing here. If those two added up is less than the width, then it is inside the ellipse. Now I'll show you the compute class. I'm building the box out first. So I have a box function. I'll bring the box out. I also have addition function, which multiplies the minimum maximum values plus I think 1/2 the width of the ellipse. So I have that on top of the box. It is a variable of this function. Once I get those values, I will create the box using length times width kind of thing. Length times width right here. So I'm going to square area of the box. Once I get the square area, I have a function, another function that will give me all the points that are within the two ellipses. So again, the purpose of this assignment was to generate random numbers to see if any of those points are within those ellipses as well. So I have that right here. That class is here for any number in the range of that, where to begin, where to end. That as well. I also have my pseudo-random generator from the previous class from the file. So yeah, that is high level my code. And this area is the area you saw the definitions. I also have this function right here. It's a very simple function. If the point is within the two ellipses, then this function will return true. It's a part of this overlapping function as well. Also, yeah, overall that's my code. Again, it's very simple. It's very broken apart, and I think I did okay with this. Thank you.